In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and edit categories in QuickBooks Chart of Accounts. This process is crucial for organizing your financial data, ensuring that all your financial transactions are categorized correctly. So, let's dive right in. To get started first, navigate to the QuickBooks website. If you don't have an account, you'll need to sign up. However, if you already have an account, go ahead and click on the Sign In QuickBooks Online button. As you proceed, you'll be prompted to enter your account credentials. Be mindful that these steps are designed to keep your account secure, so pay attention to filling out the correct information. Once you're logged in, you might encounter a CAPTCHA or "I'm not a robot" checkbox. It's just a security measure, nothing to worry about. Afterward, click Continue and proceed to enter your password. Again, hitting Continue will lead you to the main dashboard where your company files are stored. Choose the relevant company file you want to work with, and then let's move on to the next steps. Now that you're within your QuickBooks environment, you'll find yourself on the homepage. Here, navigate to the upper right corner and click on Settings. From the drop-down menu, select Chart of Accounts. In this window, you can view and manage your existing accounts or add new ones as necessary. For creating a new category, click on New Account. This opens a new form where you will need to specify the account type and detail type. Then, you can give your new account a unique name. Once you've entered all the required details, simply hit Save, and your new category will now be part of the Chart of Accounts. Let's switch gears and discuss editing an existing category. In your Chart of Accounts page, locate the account you wish to modify. You'll find an action column on the right where there's a drop-down menu. Click this menu and choose Edit. This option allows you to adjust details like the account type, detail type, or even the name of the account. Once you're satisfied with your changes, remember to click Save to update the category. And a little bonus for you, if you ever find yourself needing to merge two categories, perhaps you created a duplicate or want to simplify your chart, QuickBooks lets you do just that. Simply rename one category to exactly match another. QuickBooks will recognize the match and prompt you to merge the categories, combining any data and transactions associated with them. With these steps, you can efficiently manage your categories and ensure that your QuickBooks Chart of Accounts is organized to your preference. Hopefully, this guide helps you enhance your business's financial management. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.